the 12-week year. To unlock productivity, embrace goal setting. The wealth of knowledge from numerous books becomes truly beneficial only when you systematically implement it in your life. Our dreams and goals manifest into reality through deliberate actions. The most efficient and direct path to achieving your objectives involves prioritizing them, creating a detailed plan, and following it meticulously. Your productivity isn't hindered by external circumstances, but by the choices you make each day. It takes bravery to acknowledge and take responsibility for your own well-being. Remember, you are the master craftsman of your own fate. Chapter 1. The greatest obstacle often isn't a shortage of knowledge, but a failure to act. Stephen Pressfield, in The War of Art, captures a profound truth. We lead two lives, the one we are living and the one within our potential. Yet the grandeur of what we could achieve remains untapped, hindered by our reluctance to act on what we know. The adage, knowledge is power, falls short. Without action, knowledge is merely potential, unused and unproductive. True growth emerges from the realization and application of this principle. Meeting expectations consistently is a surefire way to enhance productivity. Despite widespread awareness of healthy living practices, many Americans struggle with obesity and overweight. The internet overflows with literature on weight loss, yet the gap between knowledge and consistent action persists. Every day counts, and the trap of annualized thinking, the belief that there's ample time within a year to reach our goals, often leads to repeated cycles of disappointment and procrastination. The allure of deadlines, however, can spur action, transforming procrastination into productivity. Setting realistic deadlines is a vital step towards achieving your ambitions. Mastering effective execution is both simpler and more challenging than it might seem. The difficulty lies not in the complexity of the tasks, but in the necessity of adopting new behaviors, which can feel daunting enough to consider quitting. Success in execution requires a deep emotional investment in the outcomes, aligning personal and business visions to foster a strategy that streamlines processes, minimizes errors, and sharpens focus. A plan without action is merely a shadow of productivity. Chapter 2. Taking consistent steps is the secret to realizing your aspirations. Your actions are the architects of your future. To glimpse into what lies ahead, examine the steps you're taking today, for they are the best predictors of your tomorrow. Consider your health as an example. The quality of your diet and your commitment to regular exercise foretell your future well-being. To ensure vitality at 40, it's essential to have maintained healthy habits over the past 20 years, like getting 8 hours of sleep nightly, spending time outdoors daily, and undergoing an annual health checkup. Achieving peak physical condition isn't an overnight miracle, but a result of sustained effort over time. This principle holds true for your relationships, career, and business endeavors. Your actions weave the narrative of your life, and monumental achievements are the culmination of small daily efforts. Embracing a weekly planning system allows you to excel in a few chosen areas rather than diluting your focus across too many. A defined schedule with clear deadlines eliminates time wastage, enhancing your focus and making it simpler to attain your objectives within a 12-week frame. Your goals serve as beacons, guiding you towards your larger vision. Without a clear target, progress is unattainable. Aligning your daily intentions with your overarching vision simplifies the path to heightened productivity without negative repercussions. A common oversight in business and personal life is the failure to track progress. Without a scoreboard, it's challenging to gauge performance and know when adjustments are needed. Just as scores make sports engaging by providing clear indicators of standing and next steps, measuring your progress is crucial. Success and failure are often a matter of metrics and measurements. Establishing a method to gauge your progress is vital for understanding your position. Implement a weekly scorecard to monitor your development effectively. Remember, time is the currency of life. Appreciate its value by judiciously choosing what to accept or decline. Steer clear of time wasters and prioritize activities that enhance productivity. Understanding the value of time is to comprehend the essence of accountability. True accountability lies in owning the outcomes of your decisions, emphasizing the importance of self-accountability in your life. Chapter 3. Interest versus commitment in idea development is a crucial distinction. Merely having an interest in something doesn't equate to being committed to it. True commitment is demonstrated through decisive, actionable steps. There are 4 pivotal elements to genuine commitment. 1. Powerful desire. This stems from a strong, compelling reason that keeps you driven during challenging times. 2. Keystone actions. Identify and focus on the core actions essential for achieving your goals. These are the non-negotiable steps that will lead to success. 3. Weighing the costs. Understand the sacrifices required for your goals, whether it's time, comfort, finances, or personal relationships. Acknowledging these costs up front prepares you for the journey ahead. 4. Prioritizing commitment over feelings. There will be moments when your emotions may deter you from your path. True commitment involves pushing beyond these feelings to maintain momentum. Spreading yourself too thin across multiple endeavors leads to inefficiency and burnout. Instead, honing in on what's truly important allows for deeper focus and better results. Avoid the trap of multitasking and the rush to compensate for lost time. Embrace each day with purpose. Attempting to reclaim lost time often leads to sacrificing both the present and future. Achieving a work-life balance is crucial for well-being and productivity. This balance isn't about equal portions, but making informed choices that favor your overall happiness and effectiveness. Sometimes, this may mean reevaluating your environment and potentially making tough decisions about your current commitments. Strive for a routine that incorporates dedicated work time, alongside periods for physical activity, healthcare, leisure, and rest. Establishing such a schedule should aim to transition into a habit that effortlessly integrates into your life, ensuring you remain energized and stave off burnout. Chapter 4. Mastering Execution: Principles and Disciplines for Achieving Success. The execution system is a blueprint for making deliberate choices, built around 8 foundational elements: vision, planning, process control, measurement, time use, accountability, commitment, and seizing greatness in each moment. These components are categorized into 2 core groups: the guiding principles, the essential disciplines. At the heart of the 12-week year strategy's success are 3 guiding principles: accountability, commitment, and living with greatness in every action. Accountability is about taking full responsibility for both your triumphs and setbacks, acknowledging that the outcomes in your life largely stem from your choices. Commitment involves dedicating earnest effort to fulfill the promises you've made to yourself, pushing past any inclination towards procrastination or hesitancy. Living with greatness in every action recognizes the act of commitment itself as an embodiment of greatness, emphasizing the journey over the destination. To navigate the 12-week year strategy effectively, 5 disciplines provide a comprehensive framework. 1. Vision. Setting the stage with a compelling vision clarifies your commitment's purpose, guiding your journey toward achieving your goals. 2. Planning. Crafting a focused plan is essential for highlighting your priorities, allowing you to outline actionable steps for daily, weekly, and monthly objectives. Forge a plan that elevates long-term goals above all else. 1. Process control. Implement tools that ensure your daily activities are in harmony with your desired outcomes, like setting an alarm for an earlier start. 2. Measurement. Tracking progress offers valuable insight into your current standing, acting as a feedback mechanism to ascertain if you're on the correct path. 3. Time use. Being intentional with your time is crucial, as time flows continuously and must be utilized effectively. Integrating these elements into your 12-week year plan sets the stage for consistent growth across all facets of your life. Interesting to note, a 1968 study found that individuals with lower IQs often outperformed those with significantly higher IQs, 135 plus, underscoring the critical role of work ethic and discipline in success. Chapter 5. Embracing Accountability: The Strength in Admitting and Amending Mistakes. Acknowledging your errors doesn't diminish your strength. Rather, It showcases your courage to take responsibility for your actions. Your life is shaped by the decisions you make, defining each moment. Those who cast themselves as perpetual victims restrict their own potential, allowing their success to be dictated by others. Living in the shadow of blame, they view life as an endless battle. Conversely, individuals who recognize their role in shaping their destiny actively seek paths to fulfill their aspirations, understanding that new opportunities arise even when some paths close. Accountability empowers you to steer your life, enabling you to discern what benefits you and what doesn't. It equips you to navigate challenges with a mindset focused on self-improvement rather than casting fault elsewhere. The essence of commitment isn't measured by its grandeur, but by its sincerity and consistency. Engaging in a simple daily act of commitment can unveil its complexity over time. It's the dedication to these seemingly mundane tasks that can transform them into something remarkable. A casual interest in swimming, for instance, can evolve into a fervent passion, a competitive sport, and eventually, a professional pursuit. Through commitment, even the mundane can be infused with purpose and vitality. Embarking on your 12-week plan might initially feel daunting, faced with skepticism and obstacles. However, it's crucial to persevere with your eyes on the prize of long-term achievements rather than fleeting comforts. While commitment is virtuous, overburdening yourself is counterproductive. Aim for achievable objectives to maintain momentum and gradually augment your goals by incorporating new tasks incrementally. Commitment also means venturing into new territories and shedding counterproductive habits. The allure of old routines can be strong, but their release is necessary for progress. Celebrate every victory, no matter its size. Use the period following your 12-week cycle to reflect on your achievements and areas for improvement. Remember, it's never too late for a fresh start. Thomas Edison once remarked, "If we did the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves." Let this serve as a reminder of the untapped potential within, waiting to be realized through the power of accountability and commitment. Wrapping up. The essence of a productive life lies in meticulous planning and its diligent execution. Your outcomes are directly influenced by the choices you make. To turn aspirations into reality, unwavering commitment is essential. Merely having an interest or a plan isn't sufficient. Realizing your ambitions requires a structured approach, and that's precisely what the 12-week year strategy offers. By distilling a year's goals into 12 weeks, you're compelled to focus intensely, embracing only the actions that drive significant progress. Achieving greatness is less about sporadic acts of excellence and more about cultivating persistent habits. Implementing deadlines can serve as a catalyst, urging you to accomplish tasks timely. Embrace the philosophy that consistent, small steps are the key to gradual but sure success. Visualize your year in 12-week segments to mitigate the overwhelm of grand, long-term objectives. This perspective encourages a more dynamic engagement with your goals, reducing the likelihood of procrastination. Shorter timelines keep your energy and interest peaked, preventing burnout and maintaining motivation through visible progress. Each week that passes should be a mark of success, fueling a period of intense, goal-oriented action. And as you advance, don't forget to acknowledge and celebrate your dedication and achievements.